In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana. Let's dive in and explore this essential tool for project management. First, you'll need to log into Asana, head over to either your browser or open the Asana app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can manage your tasks and projects. Next, it's time to select a project where you want to create a new task. Navigate through your list of projects and select the one that suits your needs. Remember, if this task isn't specific to any particular project, you can simply create it in your personal My Tasks section. This can be especially useful for personal to-do lists or smaller tasks that don't fit into broader project categories. Now, on the project board or list view, locate the plus Add Task button and click it to initiate the creation of a new task. This will open up a blank task template for you to fill out. Give your task a clear and concise title. This will serve as a snapshot of the activity, so keep it descriptive but succinct. In the task template, you'll also find a space to add a description. This is where you'll provide detailed instructions or any relevant context for the task. If there are any files, links, or images that are required, make sure to attach them here. To further break down the task, consider using subtasks. These are incredibly beneficial for splitting work into smaller, more manageable parts. Assigning the task is your next step. Click on the Assignee field and choose the team member who will be responsible for completing this task. You have the option to assign it to yourself or select any teammate from your list. This helps in clarifying who is accountable and keeps everyone on the same page. After assigning the task, it's crucial to set a due date. Click on the due date field and select the deadline by which the task should be completed. Optionally, you can add start dates if your schedule or workflow benefits from such clarity. Further customization of your task can include adding tags, sections, or custom fields. Tags help with categorization, while placing tasks into the correct section of the project keeps everything organized. Custom fields are fantastic for tracking metrics like priority and status. Enhance communication by using the Comments and Collaborators feature. Add team members as collaborators to keep them informed about any updates or changes. Comments within tasks are perfect for discussions, feedback, or providing additional updates. Finally, be sure to save the task. This makes it visible to the assigned member and any collaborators. To keep everything running smoothly, monitor the task's progress through project views, your My Tasks list, or even timeline and board views. This ensures accountability and helps maintain momentum throughout your project. That's it. You're now equipped to create and assign tasks effectively in Asana. Happy tasking.